and welcome to AI testing with Vijay. So in this video we are going to see about markers. So previously we had seen an execution like we tried to execute pytest-k, then we gave whatever test we want, execute something like example second, then we try to use like this, right? And it is able to execute only one test which is having a word second. Okay, so this is what we learned. But in real world, like when you work on a project, so you need to categorize your test cases, right? Some test cases belongs to sanity, some belongs to smoke, some belongs to system testing. So you need to categorize your tests. So for that, what you have to do is, first thing, so you need to create a new file called pytest.ini. It's like initialization, and so you need to write something like pytest and markers is equal to whatever markers like you are going to use. You need to give all of them, like here the sanity, execute sanity test cases, smoke, execute the smoke test cases, system will execute the system test cases, all that stuff. You need to give what are the markers that you are going to use, and straight away you can use pytest.mark dot whatever the label that you want to use, right? Whatever you declared here, sanity, smoke, system, you can categorize them. Okay, and you can make use of them. From here you can see I have a 5 test cases here. Out of that 5 test cases, 2 belongs to sanity, 2 belongs to smoke, and 1 belongs to system testing. Okay, so I categorize this 5 test cases into 3 categories, right? So now instead of executing like this pytest-k all this, so you may not remember every time like what is the some pattern you need to mark in a test case. Instead you can make use of markers so that this test case can be useful multiple also. I will show you how it gonna use in a real world also. Now just clearing my screen. Now example, if I want to execute the sanity test cases, okay, then in that case what I will do is I will give pytest then -m. What is the marker name I want to execute? I will give sanity, then I can give -v, and as usual you will give the file name. Now when I try to execute it, so you see there it executed 2 test cases and deselected 3. Total we have 5, but it executed only 2. Why? Because it is making use of word sanity. So whatever marker which has a sanity word, it will execute only them. Okay, now let's see an example for smoke also. Okay, now when you try to execute smoke, it will execute 2, like the third and fourth or smoke test. What is the last one? We have a system test, right? Now again execute the same thing, system. Okay, now only one get executed because system is categorized into what. Now per suppose, now if you want this particular test case to be in functional also, then what you has to do is you can define in this way. You just copy this particular marker, and like this you can do. So this test case will execute when you try to execute with sanity and when you try to execute with system, both. Okay, so now you try to execute system. Previously it executed only 1, now it executed 2. It's because you labeled this as system as well, right? So that's the reason. So this is how you can create a markers in PyTest, and this is how you can categorize your test cases in the PyTest, and you can execute based on your needs. So but Python has, PyTest has an inbuilt markers also, like skip if, exfail, parameterize, all that. Those 4 inbuilt markers are there, but we will be using going forward. I'm just making you the basics, whatever is required. I am teaching all of them in these videos, but going forward we will learn that inbuilt markers as well. Okay, I hope this video is helping you. Let's meet in next video. Thank you.